In triangle XYZ, triangle name is given. Triangle is XYZ. Right angle is at Y. Right angle is at Y. Then having the values YZ is equal to
X.
small x, XZ is equals to 2x. Then we have to find out the angles now. Angle YXZ. And one more angle is angle YZX. So in YXZ angle, which is the middle angle? X is the middle angle. So I have to find out the value of angle X. Okay. The next one is YZX. In the middle what having?
Z.
I have to find out the value of Z. Angle Z equals to question mark. So let's see here. Now I am drawing the diagram of triangle XYZ. Right angle is at Y. See here, right angle is at where?
Y.
Y. Okay, right angle is at Y. That means 90 degrees. Okay, the next one, wherever you can take the values are X, Z. Okay. Now, given values what having say XY is equal to how much?
XY.
Having or not?
Yes. No, sir.
No. YZ,
YZ. X.
small x. And ZX, 2x. ZX or XZ, nothing will happen. Okay. Then XZ value is how much? I don't know. Okay, so I have to find out what angles. Angle X equals to question mark and angle Z equals to question mark. Okay, I have to find out these two angles. Right? So let's see. Given in a triangle XYZ, right angle is at Y. That means 90 degrees, and given values YZ equals to small x and XZ is equals to 2x. Okay. So in this first angle is what here? What angle I have to find in this? Angle
YXZ.
YXZ. Remember, in this, afterwards I will explain. The second bit is what? Angle
YZX.
Okay, in this, here I had to find out the value of X. Okay, and in this I had to find out the value of Z. Remember this. Okay, here X I have to find and here Z. So already I have Y. Okay, Y I have. So I have to find out more two angles, that is X and that is what? Z. Okay, let's see now. Suppose if I will use X as the theta. Suppose if I will use X as the theta. Okay, I will use X as theta. Afterwards I will find here. Suppose if I will take this X as theta. Okay, theta value I have to find. Okay, I am using X as theta. Then suppose if I use this X as the theta, then which side I have? This side is opposite side. This side is hypotenuse. So opposite by hypotenuse, which formula? Sin theta having? Okay, let's take the formula sin theta. Okay, theta value I have to find. So sin theta is equals to opposite side divided by hypotenuse side. Opposite is how much? YZ divided by hypotenuse is XZ. Okay, let's take the values. Theta as it is, right, is equals to YZ value is how much? X divided by XZ value is how much? 2x. Then do you divide? X ones are X and X ones are X. So sin theta equals to 1 by 2 ones are 2. Okay, in means in sine angle, where we will get 1 by 2? In which theta? Sine 30 degrees equals to 1 by 2. So I got the value of theta is equal to how much then? Theta is equals to 30 degrees. That means X value I got. Okay, this is equals to X. We are having X here. Angle YXZ. YXZ is equal to how much? 30 degrees. Any doubts in this step? The next bit is what? Angle YZX. Okay, you all knows one of the formula having in a triangle. What is that formula? Sum of the three interior angles in a triangle equal to how much? 180 degrees. Sum of the three interior angles in a triangle equals to 180 degrees. So I am applying that formula now. We know sum of the three interior angles, sum of the angles, three interior angles in a triangle equal to how much? 180 degrees. Okay, so let's, what are those three angles? First angle is what? Angle X, Y, Z. Angle X, Y, Z. Plus second angle is what having? Y, Z, X. Angle Y, Z, X. Third angle is what? X, Z, Y or Z, X, Y. Okay, Z, X, Y is equals to 180 degrees. Then next see. Here in this middle angle is what having here? See, first give importance to middle angle only here. This is Y. And here the middle angle is Z. And here the middle angle is X. Okay, remember these angles. So angle Y, how much having angle Y? 90 degrees. Plus angle Z, how much having angle Z? Not having. I have to find this value. Okay, which one here? This one only now. Angle Y, Z, X as it is, right? Plus angle X. Now only I got this value. Angle X. Angle X value is how much? 30 degrees. Equals to 180 degrees. Okay. 90 plus 30 how much? 120 degrees plus angle Y, Z, X equals to 180 plus 120 transpose to right side. Y, Z, X equals to plus 120. 180 as it is, right? Plus 120 as minus 120. Angle Y, Z, X equals to 180 minus 120 is 60 degrees. Finished? So therefore, angle Y, X, Z equal to how much here? 30 degrees. Then next one is angle Y, Z, X equals to 60 degrees. Okay. If you have any doubts, means you can clarify your doubts. Okay. Important problem.